I've created a page where I've placed a typical pattern for pricing cards. Everything looks okay, but I've noticed this weird stripy gap between my columns. Now let's check out the settings to see where this is coming from. So first, make sure the columns block is selected, then go to the style settings and check if it's the padding. It's not the padding, so let's check out the horizontal block spacing. And indeed, it's coming from the block spacing. So to address this, I'll go back to my code editor and look for my functions.php file. In a previous video, I showed you how to get the settings using the internal function wp-get-global-settings. There's also another internal function for getting styles, and this is called wp-get-global-styles. So as we did before, I'll use var_dump to output the styles variable and wp-die to stop the execution so I can inspect the styles that are being set. Save the file and go back to the site and refresh the page. Now if we scroll to the bottom, I can see that there's a spacing style where the block gap is set to 24 pixels by default. We may or may not want this. I'm going to choose to get rid of it. And to do this, I'll go back to my functions.php file, comment out the function that retrieves these styles, because we're done with that for now. Save the file. Then in my theme.json file, I'll go to the style section, and in the spacing section, I'll add the block gap property, and I'll set this to 0 pixels, which is set as a string value. Now after saving the file, pop back to your site and refresh the page, and the gap disappears from the columns. However, this change also removes the gap from every other block globally, including the headings, paragraphs, list items, and button items in this pricing card example. Now, since this affects all blocks globally, it's not ideal. Instead, I'll just target the columns block. And to do this, I'll go back to my theme.json file and remove the block gap spacing setting we just set, as this sets the block gap for all blocks. Then I'll add a new property to the style section for blocks, which is an object. And here we can add specific core blocks and set any of the initial styles. So to specifically target the columns block, add another property called core/columns, which again is an object. Then within this section, add the spacing property. And in the spacing settings for the columns block, I'll set the block gap to 0 pixels as we did before. After saving the file, pop back to the site and refresh the page. And the gap is now removed only from the columns block, and the other blocks remain unaffected. Now one thing to note is that because the setting is coming from the theme.json file settings or styles, it's not loaded from the database or inherited from anywhere else. So you won't see this setting when looking at the individual blocks in the editor. Now this is a known issue and it's in the process of getting fixed or addressed in GitHub. However, this method allows you to maintain control of your block gaps globally while still being able to target individual blocks. So if you found this useful, you can show your appreciation by hitting the like button, and for more tips like this, consider subscribing.